Hello guys, welcome to Tech Marvel. In this video, we're going to learn how to draw a part model by using Creo. Okay, it's very easy to draw and very simple. So we'll go through and let's search something part model drawing from the Google. So I picked this one of the part model drawing. So as I can see, there is a very minimum dimensions in the diagram and also very easy to draw. So I just picked it in the open page, separate one diagram for this. So let's draw on this. First go to the new part model and change the using default and make the dimensions in mmns, millimeters. There you can see. You can pick any of the dimensions as you have the diagram requirement. If it is there in the inches, you can make it as in inches. If it is there in mm, you can put it in has to be the mm. So now we have the three different rays in this, x and y and z. So you pick any of the axis. So I want to pick one axis here. So I just go to the sketch and positioning the diagram. So I position it. So first we have to make the center line. So center line will be in the left and the right. So where you can make it one horizontal and vertical. So center line is very important while we drawing because our part model will stick with the exact position. So whatever the dimensions we are giving, so we can give it accurately onto the center lines. The first is a base model. The base model we will draw in the first in the center line axis. So what is the dimensions are here? It is a 130 and 75. This both dimensions we will consider for to drawing this diagram and part model. Okay, so this is 130 and 75. So take the rectangular. No, from here we can start. So we'll take anything onto the left and the top. There you can see our rectangular is done. But I'm not given the exact position for to this rectangular, so it may go out of the axis. So we'll bring back to the axis. So one dimension is been set, another dimension is also set. As I said, it's not in the center line, so we'll bring it to the center line position. So I'm not allowing any other axis here because what I've been made it as a one center line, so I'll go with that center line. Don't get confused here. So I'm just bringing this model into the center line. So whatever the dimensions are here, I'm just changing dimensions to coming to the point into the center line. Okay, now it is in the center line. You can adjust this diagram by using this kind of center line positions. As you can see, the rectangular box is ready in the sketch form. So now we will extrude this to making a one extrude part model and see the diagram. What is the thickness? It is a 15 the thickness. Let's give the 15 thickness. Okay, so then the right side you can see one more the support is required for this as the diagram requirement. So I'll pick onto this surface, go to the sketch, position your diagram and change into the part model to the wireframe, so you can get through from the inside that the lines and axis where you can feel and check out that. So give the center line axis. As I said, center line axis is quite important while we are assigning the drawing. Okay, this part model, the height is 30 plus 15. Take the line, draw. It's very simple when you have the axis, so it will pop up and it will pick automatically the central points from the diagram, as you can see there. And okay, it's done. So go to the check box and click OK for this. It's done. extrude part, extrude this part, and yeah, as you can see there. So this is around 13, 30, 30 plus 15, 45. Yes, this is completed now. So we have to make one rib section now in the middle part. Okay, that mid sections we have to set onto this. So anything is required here? No, no. This both position models is done. So we'll take the center line here, sketch. So we have to make one rib section for this, for supporting the both the plates, which give an extra strength for the material when you drill or when you apply some load onto the both the side. So this material will hold up in proper position. So diagram, take a line, attach here and attach here. Yes, done. Okay, then extrude. So now you can see there is a left side, the extrude is done. We want equal both the side, left and right. So I'll take here, and you can get this tool from the tool sections. So this is here for the 12. Okay, done. This part is done now. Now this material have enough strength to hold the things which is going to attach to this materials. So I'm going to the wireframe again. So I need to make two diagrams onto this. As I said again, the axis is quite important. So first we have to make the axis for this. Okay, so we have to draw one box here in the below. So I'm connecting the lines. Our connecting lines is completed. Pop up. As you can see, this is the where I'm drawing the below of that plate. 12. Okay, yes, it is completed now. Take the model. So you can see here this part model is almost getting finished. Now our next step is to make the holes on the plate, which is in the base plate and the side plate. So there is two holes is been given. There are 2 into 16 dia, and the position will be in the 15 mm center positions. Take plate, sketch, wireframe, right, center line, and again center line, one more center line. Yes, as we know that there is a 15 dia, so bring it down this dimensions 15 dia. When you press the center line, it is kind of an escape and also the done. Now take the center line, draw the circle, give the dimensions. It is 16 dia. Now it is done. And the one side of the circle is been done. So we'll go to the other side as well. So we want it in the other side, that circle. So there is also one axis we have to make. And please make sure to make an axis. It is really good. That will stand within the diagram. I'm sorry for this inconvenience. Okay, now dimension is done. No, we just have to press only once on the type of the dimension top and press the middle button. It shows you automatically. Yes, now you can see here 15, give it 15. One more is here in the dimensions, 15. Yes, the 15 is done. Okay, so these two diagrams are here, and this, no, not center line. Okay, here, yeah. So give it 12. What's in it is 16 there. I'm sorry. So now it is done here for the circular circle. Yes, but we want it in the removing the part, but showing in the upper section. So we have to, no, I'm sorry, not that, down below. So just pull it down. Okay, that is, you just have to pull it down. Yes, yes, done. Now you can see here it's removed the parts inside of that material. Our circle has been done inside and it is drilled in that plate. And why it is given these two different dimensions, to giving an extra strength where the materials can hold it in the right positions, and it will hold the position. Because of that, the drill is given in the two different places. Okay, it's not in the same axis or the same line. Okay, so it is in the diagonal form. So even the material also will have certain limits for the strength, and this gives a good level onto the dimensions. That's why the drill has been given. So we are going to make another two circular drills on this. So in the side plate, so that's here on the 15 dia. So one more is in 15 dia. Again similar to that, but some diameter will be changed for this. As you can see, one is the upper side, another is the lower side. 10, and one more diagram. So we have to make it. So that is here one more 10. The Bitdefender is good antivirus which I am using now for this, and it is free of cost. You can get the Bitdefender, so that will keep popping onto the left side screen sometime. Yes, we got it now. So again axis, I'm just giving in some axis. Oh, I'm sorry again. Yeah, so dimensions, okay, only once is enough to click in this. Yeah, now we got it. So 15, again one more. Yes, 15. Yes, 15. Now we can see here in this other side is a 15, 15. Yes, it's a 15. Set the circular plate, so it's a 10 dia as per the drawing. Extrude, we want to remove the material. Yes, now you can see here this drill is been done on the plate. Take OK. Yes, done. Right. So we almost finished this. Now it is 90% is completed. Yes, as we can see, there is a one more thing which we left out. That's two more strength is given to the plate again. So take the sketch model on the top of the surface. Okay, say okay. Yeah, right, correct. On the top model, yeah, some axis. Then again one more axis. We have to make a lot of axis onto this to making our model to be draw very simple, right? Yes. So before that, yeah, the top one more horizontal line. As you can see, this is 20 in the middle section, so that's why we are dividing by 2, that it will be a 10 10. Yep, it's done. Now again is one more thing is given, that's a 12 12. So now finish the line to connecting the lines over here. lines. Yeah, okay, completed. Yes, done. So one more side, we are just extruding this part. Even when we are drawing this bottom, that is also we could have been done. uh, Now this is also one of the new experience, as you can understand from the diagram. Yes, now we can see there. Okay, so this model is around calculated by this, so it will be around 78 by total of all the dimensions here, totaling from 30, 15, 18 and 15. So I just randomly have taken one dimension for this because I don't know about the backside of this part model, so that's why I've been taken one dimensions for this. Yes, okay, now it's completed. Now this all the part models, the diagram. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video with a new more and models which we will going to draw with the help of the Creo. Thanks for watching. Keep tuned to our channel and keep subscribed. Thank you. Bye bye.